Hey guys, so in this video I'm just gonna make a funny edit because I upload those on my Instagram page. So in this video I'm gonna put this Shin-chan's mom. If you haven't seen Shin-chan, then you are shit. Go watch Shin-chan first. Okay, so I'm gonna put his mom here, and I guess she will look like Godzilla or something scary. I just want that. Okay, so I made a selection around her, just a rough selection with lasso tool. Now copy, paste. She is very small in this picture, obviously, because the background picture's resolution is too high, 4000 by 6000, literally. Okay, this looks nice. And now okay, maybe tilt her a little bit. Okay, cool. Now select the layer, click on the layer mask icon. Now in the layer mask, the white color you can see here, it's white, total white. Take the brush. The white color does nothing right now, but if we press X and the foreground and the background will exchange, now we have black. If we paint with black in this area, it will remove this, and if we paint with white, press X, it will reveal this. It's like the black will hide the object and the white will reveal the object. So right now we need black, smaller brush, and we are going to erase this area. Now you can see we have pretty good cutout. Go to this adjustment area panel. If you don't have this, go here, this adjustment, click over this, and then you will have this. Okay, brightness levels, blah 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 blah, black and white. Now you can see this is black and white. So we turned this into black and white because the area here, this is like so black and white, that's why. Okay, so this thing has more black than white, so we just have to turn most of the things to black. Okay, so everything is right now black. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then hit here and then clipping mask. So this will only apply on this one. Okay, cool. Now go here, and now the main thing we have. So you can see the edges are pretty sharp, and we can't put this like this. Okay, so you have to go double click on this, enter. What the fuck? Sorry. Okay, click on this. Feather, contrast, hit OK. This is a bit blurry now, you can see. And now take the black brush, hit B for the brush, opacity to something like this. Do it like this. We have to totally conceal this area, hide this area. Okay, we can do this here, I guess. Oh, this white, okay, black. This looks perfect. Okay, full opacity, down brush size, and now you can see there's some white things here. We have to remove this with the brush. We don't want these will make this look bad. Okay, these are the light, we don't have to do on this too. So we have completed this looks pretty nice, right? Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you like this tutorial, and please leave a like, comment down what tutorial do you want next, and then see ya in the next video.